Okay, so let's talk on the subject of speaking in tongues, right? Paulus write about speaking in tongues in the Bible, but very, very short. So there's still a space or an opportunity for us to expound more on it based on our own personal experiences. So I'm going to talk here on speaking in tongues, but I will take my reference from Paulus, right? Paulus writes and he says, when you're speaking in a tongue, it is like evidence that you are empowered. You receive the Holy Ghost. Basically, that's what he says, eh? Right. But what I found out for myself is this: the Bible, you mustn't take the Bible literally because you will die. You will surely die. And dan sê die apostolismos, I'm going to mix Afrikaans and English because I can interchange these two languages, right? Please bear with me, beloved. So basically, Paulus said it's not even like I'm going to promote the apostolic kerkie, Sonny. Because remember, when I was 6 years old, my mother went with me to the NG Kerk, right? When I was 16 years old, my mom's and my dad's belonged to the O Apostolics, and then they were confirming me, right? Then at 21, when I got married, the person that married me convinced me and he said, build on the foundation of Jesus Christ. Te vergeefs is die bouwer as nie bou op Christus nie. Then I decided to join the Happy Clappy Church. I'm not gonna, you know what, I'm wrong. I shouldn't actually have called names. Pretend I didn't say NG Kerk or I didn't say Apostolische Kerk or what. I'm not gonna mention this church because it's a Happy Clappy Church. It's a Pentecostal church. Yeah, so I'm not here to promote any churches because I've stopped going to church, right? I know people, I know you're gonna bloody crucify me for this and you're gonna buy, this is a devil, nog nie verder na luister nie, sy loop die kerkie. No, church is not all that. Church is not taking you anywhere. In fact, die kerk vat vir jou afgrond toe jy gaan jou oë oopmaak. Jy gaan moet terugkom wanneer jy gaan verdwaal. As jy dink jy wat kerk loop is, jy's op die regte spoor. Ek is hier so en I'm going to put the record straight. I'm going to put the record so straight after this